The Disney Polynesian Village Resort is undergoing the biggest change in its history. The Island Tower will be a large-scale Disney Vacation Club expansion. While the rest of Disney's Polynesian Village caps out at around 3 stories, this Island Tower will be 10 stories tall and offer fantastic views over the Seven Seas Lagoon. Some fans online have voiced their concern that this tower doesn't match the look of the current design of the resort, and that this skyscraper takes away from the smaller, more themed buildings nearby. But we can show that this tower is slightly away from the main resort and is around the same height as the nearby Disney Vacation Club buildings of the Grand Floridian. There is no doubt this building is different from the smaller villas and bungalows that are currently at the Polynesian Village Resort, but as more theming is added on, this tower does become less intrusive on the Seven Seas Lagoon skyline. In fact, its height will probably be its biggest selling point, as we will see in a bit with the proposed views from the rooms in the higher levels. On a personal note, the Polynesian Village Resort is in my personal top 3 favorite park hotels in Orlando. It has an iconic design, signature restaurants, bars, and snack areas, and it has, in my opinion, the best ground level viewing of Magic Kingdom fireworks, with Disney's Contemporary Resort having possibly the best out-of-park viewing at the California Grill rooftop deck. Facts. This tower is currently slated to open December 17th, 2024. This tower will have first ever room types for Disney, the 2-bedroom penthouse villas, more on those in a bit. This expansion will not get its own monorail station, so guests staying here will need to walk over to the primary monorail station at the Great Ceremonial House. This tower will primarily be for the Disney Vacation Club members, but like any DVC location, those without a DVC membership can still rent these rooms on occasion when they are open. With such a prime location in a new tower, we have to assume these will be booked out for a while. Before we check out the rooms, let's see what this new tower adds to the resort as a whole. And as a local, I'm always interested in new dining options at Walt Disney World. I honestly don't want to imagine how much money the mouse has gotten from me over the last decade of living in Orlando. I may have paid for this entire tower in just my Dole Whip and popcorn purchases. The Island Tower will bring with it one new eatery and bar called Walulu Bar and Grill. This location will offer grab-and-go breakfast as well as all-day lunch and dinner and a walk-up pool bar and grill. According to Disney, quote, "The new Walulu Bar and Grill, located within the addition, evokes the natural beauty of the islands, from banquet seating surrounded by flowing water to a lava rock-inspired bar overlooking Seven Seas Lagoon. It also offers breathtaking views of Cinderella Castle at Magic Kingdom Park," unquote. Of course, Trader Sam's Grog Grotto, Captain Cook's, Ohana, and the Kona Cafe are also part of the Polynesian Village Resort and enjoyed by many. This new location promises its own unique offering with views of Cinderella Castle, a much sought-after view for any Disney hotel. Now we move on to pools. Moana's Voyage will be a splash area complete with a Moana statue on her canoe from the original Moana film. The tower will also offer the Cove Pool, a zero-entry pool that both DVC members staying at the tower and everyday guests staying at the other Polynesian Village Resort rooms can both enjoy. But one of the absolute selling points of this resort are the 4 terrace gardens. DVC members with a contract for this tower, as well as guests staying at the tower, are welcome to enjoy these gardens that look over Seven Seas Lagoon and over the Disney's Oak Trail and Magnolia golf courses. These terrace gardens are focused on relaxation and never before enjoyed views. As originally stated, the height of this tower is both its biggest positive and for some, its biggest negative. But there is no doubting that these views will instantly be an iconic part of this resort expansion. Let's head inside, where we get some of Disney's first concept images of the lobby and open guest areas. Again, this is a different design from what is seen at the original Great Ceremonial House, but it is still very Polynesian. Large windows continue to show off this hotel's major advantage, its views, and the sunlight works to highlight the earth tones and wood used in this lobby and guest area. The iconic line for the Disney Vacation Club, "Welcome Home," is sure to be said countless times in this space. Disney has stated that the designs in this space will include preserved moss walls and sculptures made from recycled fishing nets. The Imagineers are working hard to provide a modern look at the spirit of conservation and the culture of Polynesia. For the rooms, Disney states, quote, "Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian villas and bungalows will feature a variety of room types that will sleep from 2 to 9 guests, such as duo studios, spacious 1 and 2 bedroom villas, and brand new 2-bedroom penthouse villas. Many rooms will feature spectacular views," unquote. These rooms will be part of Disney's 2030 goal of conservation, with Disney claiming that the rugs and carpets in the guest rooms are made from mostly recycled plastic bottles, which are woven into a fine yarn meant to feel like silk. This will also be the first DVC resort in Florida to have built-in dishwashers. Disney has really gone the extra mile with this tower to give in-depth digital tours of the rooms. This is one of numerous 360-degree tours you can utilize on the Disney Vacation Club website to check out the layout of rooms, a very useful function if you're planning to get a Polynesian Island Tower DVC contract before officially visiting in person. Of the 5 room types listed, Disney currently has 360-degree tours of the middle tier rooms, the deluxe studios, the 1-bedroom villas, and the 2-bedroom villas. The other 2 room types are the smallest offering, the duo studios, and the largest offering, the 2-bedroom penthouse villas. Using this 360-degree tour and a Disney Parks online tour, we can get an idea of the space and its offerings. If you've never visited a Disney Vacation Club resort, you should know that many rooms feature kitchens or kitchenettes, as well as fold-out beds alongside a standard bedroom. These rooms are usually a bit bigger than a standard Disney room, as many DVC members use this location as their literal home base during their stay. As many DVC members are superfans, they have been to the park on many occasions, and some use the resort itself as a main or the main part of the vacation. Having a bit of home and its amenities on vacation is a large selling point of joining the DVC. The new 2-bedroom penthouse villa is a DVC first. According to Disney, quote, Disney Vacation Club will introduce a brand new type of accommodation in Island Tower, 2-bedroom penthouse villas. Themed after the calming balance between water and the islands, the stunning villas will sleep up to 8 and boast a spacious living room and spectacular views of Seven Seas Lagoon and Magic Kingdom Park from an expansive patio balcony, unquote. As we look again at this construction, we can see that there is a lot to be done before December 17th, but outdoor decor and plants can seemingly happen overnight, so there isn't yet a worry about a delayed opening. These specific photos by BioReconstruct on X were posted on August 20th. Seen from the sky, we can get an idea of the size of this structure in relation to the nearby resort. This resort has transformed over the years. Walt Disney World and all Disney parks changed throughout the years to meet guest needs, safety requirements, new visions, and, let's be honest, stockholder requirements for income. But as we see this new tower literally rise from the dirt, we can see a new era of Disney fans coming to visit the Disney Vacation Club Island Tower. Let us know in the comments, regardless of price, because we know this isn't a budget choice. If you had the opportunity to stay at this tower, would you choose it over other locations? What resort, regardless of pricing or availability, would be your top choice? Do these views and new offerings sell the Polynesian Village Resort to you, or does someplace like Disney's Wilderness Lodge win out? I can assure you, I myself will definitely be visiting the new restaurant when I can and hopefully enjoying a terrace garden view on a relaxing evening. Perhaps some fans' distaste of the tower's height will be fixed when they get the new views of Disney's most iconic waterfront, the Seven Seas Lagoon. For now, follow our channel, EYNTK Info, for everything you need to know, and check the description area of this video for links to the 360 tours, the Disney Vacation Club website, and more.